Chapter 1. Alphabets in pictures. Point and say A for aeroplane, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fox, G for girl, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jeep, K for king, L for lamb, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for pen, Q for quilt, R for rat, S for swan, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Sound of A as in lad, lad, pad, sad, dad, mad, had, bad, pad. Sound of A as in jam, jam, dam, ram, mam, palm, calm, ham, bam. Sound of A as in lake, lake, cage, face, gate, date, rate, late, page. Time to do. Color the pictures and fill in the missing letters. Cap, rat, bat, dam, dad. Chapter 3. My Mama Says. Listen and read after your teacher. My mama says, you are good. I get up early in the morning. My mama says, you are good. Chapter 4. Sounds of E. Sound of E as in leg, leg, egg, keg, peg, beg, neg, meg. Sound of E as in den, den. Sound of E as in sheep, sheep, weep, jeep, green, feet, greet, bean, feet. Time to do. Color the pictures and write similar sounding words in the blanks. Bell, egg, hen, sheep. Chapter 5. Sound of I. Sound of I as in bin, bin, fin, pin, tin, sin, win, gin, kin. Sound of I as in pit, pit, hit, sit, kit, bit, lit, fit, git. Sound of I as in kite, kite, ice, dice, nine, mice, lice, pipe, time. Time to do. Match the following. 9, ice, light, mice, dice, 5. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing letters. King, Chapter 6. Sounds of O. Sound of O as in cot. Cot, pot, hot, dot, got, lot, not. Sound of O as in cop. Cop, mop, top, hop,
pop, sop, fob.
Sound of O as in God. God, pod, Todd, rod, nod, mod, hod. Sound of O as in fog. Fog, log, dog, jog, hog, cog, bog. Sound of O as in row. Row, owl, snow, crow, no, low, so, bro. Sound of O as in pool. Pool, broom, spoon, moon, room, mood, food, tool. Time to do. Take the correct word for each picture. Row, down, log, pond. Write similar sounding words in the blank boxes below each word. Cot, mop, row, book. Chapter 7. Sounds of U. Sound of U as in bun. Bun, gun, run, sun, none, fun, pun. Sound of U as in hug. Hug, mug, jug, bug, tug, dug, rug. Sound of U as in tube. Tube, flute, cute, uniform, unicorn, huge, mute, tune. Time to do. Join the letters to make words. G-U-N, gun. S-U-N, sun. B-U-G, bug. B-U-S, bus. Look at the pictures and write their names. Run, flute, bun, hut, cup, cute. Chapter 8. One and many, singular and plural. Look at the pictures, read and understand. One fruit, many fruits. One flower, many flowers. One ball, many balls. One toy, many toys. Teachers note, when a noun refers to only one, it is said to be singular. When nouns refers to more than one, it is said to be plural. Time to do. Count the objects and write one or many. many dogs, one zebra, many balloons, many birds. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. One apple, many apples. One cat, many cats. One horse, many horses. One pen, many pens. Chapter 9. Special sounds. DR, TR, BR, PR, GR. Sound of DR as in drum. Drum, draw, drink, drip, drop. Sound of TR as in tree. Tree, tray, truck, tram, trick. Sound of BR as in brick. Brick, brown, brave, break, bro. Sound of PR as in pray. Pray, prick, pretty, price, print. Sound of GR as in grapes. Grapes, green, great, greed, grand. Teacher's note. Pronounce the words and helps the children to do the same. You may write some similar words on the blackboard and ask the children to read them out. Chapter 10. A and N. English alphabet has 26 letters. The letters A, E, I, O and U are vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. We use A with words starting with consonant sounds. N is used before the words starting with vowel sounds. Read these words along with your teacher. A cow, an owl, a bus, an umbrella, a rose, an orange, a lamp, an apple. Time to do. Fill in the blanks with A or N. An aunt, an ox, a toy, an orange, an owl, a banana. Match A and N with the correct words. An empire, a van, an umbrella, a radio, a book, an alligator. Chapter 11. This and that. This is a deer. This is a melon. That is a watermelon. This is a parrot. That is a peacock. This is ball. That is a balloon. Chapter 12. These and those. These are sheep. Those are hens. These are watches. Those are umbrellas. These are oranges. Those are kites. These are dogs. Those are lions. Teacher's note. Help the children understand the meaning of these and those. Help them identify the difference between these or those. Chapter 13. This is, these are. Listen, look at the pictures and repeat. What is this? This is a tree. What are these? These are cows. What is this? This is a scooter. What are these? These are apples. Teacher's note. Help the children understand the meaning of this and these. You may ask some similar question to the children and encourage them to reply using this or these. Time to do. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with this is or these are. What is this? This is a frog. What are these? These are flowers. What is this? This is a bat. What are these? These are balloons. What is this? This is a pen. Chapter 14. That is, those are. Listen, look at the pictures and repeat. What is that? That is a train. What are those? Those are aeroplanes. What is that? That is a chair. What are those? Those are butterflies. What is that? That is a lion. Time to do. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with that is or those are. What is that? That is a star. What are those? Those are trees. What are those? Those are toys. What is that? That is a peacock. What is that? That is an elephant. Chapter 15. Yes, no. Listen, look at the pictures and understand. Is this a monkey? Yes, it is. Is this a black monkey? No, it is not. Is this a train? No, it is not. Is this an aeroplane? Yes, it is. Is this a hut? No, it is not. Is this a bungalow? Yes, it is. Time to do. Tick the correct answer. Is this a deer? Yes, it is. Is this a car? Yes, it is. Is this a fort? No, it is not. Is this a boat? No, it is not. Is this a hippo? Yes, it is. Chapter 16. I am, you are, we are. Listen, look at the pictures and repeat. I am Ravi. I am a boy. You are Rani. You are a girl. We are friends. I am Naman. I am a boy. You are Ravi. You are a boy. We are brothers. I am Sara. I am a girl. You are Rashmi. You are a girl. We are sisters. Time to do. Fill in the blanks with I am, you are, we are. I am Raj. You are Rohit. We are boys.
I am Rashmi. I am a girl. You are Rohan. You are a boy. We are twins.
I am Ratan. I am a doctor. You are Lata.
You are nurse.
We are working together. Chapter 17. He is, she is. He, she, his, her. Listen, look at the pictures and repeat. She is Pooja. This is her doll. He is Mohan. This is his kite. He is lawyer. This is his book. She is Mamta. This is her bag. He is Vikas. He is her brother. He is my grandfather. This is his stick. Time to do. Fill in the blanks with he, his, she, her. This is Neelam. She is a girl. This is Kapil. This is his apple. She is Anita. This is her book. He is Raj. These are his toys. This is Raghu. He is a cobbler. She is Rajni. This is her fan. Chapter 18. Use of what? What is this? This is a cow. What is that? That is a chair. What is this? This is a bus. What is that? That is a tree. Teacher's note: help the children understand the meaning of describing words. Encourage them to say some sentences using describing words. Time to do. Complete the question by what? What is this? This is a pen. What is that? That is a monkey. What is this? This is a box. What is that? That is a frog. Chapter 19. Locating positions. Listen, look at the pictures and understand. The clock is on the table. The cat is under the table. The tortoise is near the finishing point. The dog is behind the man. The girl is standing in front of the mirror. The flower is in the pot. Teacher's note: help the children understand the meaning of on, under, beside, behind, and in. You may ask the children to say some more sentences using on, under, behind, in, and beside. Time to do. Look at the pictures and tick the correct words. The cow is under the shed. The mouse is under the bed. The bottle is on the table. The tree is behind the house. The car is standing near the bus. The ball is in front of the dog. Chapter 20. Action words. Listen, look at the pictures and repeat. The child is drinking milk. The girl is singing. Mother is cooking food. The boy is eating. The girl is skipping. Teacher's note: ask a child to stand up at his or her place and do some actions. Ask the other children to name the actions one by one. Encourage them to remember the action words given in the chapter. The boy is running. The baby is crying. Ravi is sleeping. The girl is writing. The boy is laughing. The old man is walking. Time to do. Look at the pictures and tick the correct words in the bracket. The girl is dancing. The dog is running. The boy is eating. The children are playing. The boy is writing. The fish is swimming. Chapter 21. Who is he? Who is she? Listen and repeat. Who is he? He is a carpenter. Who is he? He is an electrician. Who is he? He is a driver. Who is she? She is a nurse. Who is she? She is an astronaut. Teacher's note: help the children understand the meaning of who and reply the questions that begin with who. You may ask some similar questions pointing your finger at the pictures of different professionals. Time to do. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Who is he? He is a gardener. Who is she? She is a teacher. Who is he? He is a mason. Who is she? She is a mother. Who is he? He is a tailor. Who is he? He is an engineer. Chapter 22. I, my, you, your. Listen and repeat. This is my pen. This is your letter. I am Ankit. This is my uncle. You are Rita. This is your book. I am Priya. This is my pet. This is my book. This is your doll. You are Meeta. This is your house. Teacher's note: help the children understand the meaning of my and your and how to use them. Encourage them to say some more sentences using my and your. Time to do. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with I, my, you, your. You are Kapil. This is my ball. This is my pen. This is my book. This is my doll. This is my cage. I am Rahul. This is my father. Chapter 23. I have, he has. Listen and read after your teacher. I have a pen. He has a bag. I have a flower. He has a toy. I have a dice. I have a teddy bear. He has a book. Teacher's note: tell the children about the use of have and has. Encourage them to speak short sentences using these words. Time to do. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. I have a bag. He has a bag. I have an ice cream. She has an ice cream. I have a book. She has a book. Chapter 24. Picture composition. This is watermelon. It is red in color. It has many seeds. Its seeds are black in color. It is healthy to eat. It is very juicy.
Now write a few lines on apple. An apple. Clue: red, many seeds.
Chapter 25. Use of when. We use when to ask questions about time. Look and read. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. When do you take breakfast? I take breakfast at 7 past half in the morning. When do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. When do you come back from school? I came back from school at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. When do you play? I play at 5 o'clock at evening. When do you study? I study at 7 o'clock at evening. Time to do? Write the time when you do the following activities. When do you get up? When do you sleep? When do you eat your dinner? When do you do your homework? When do you come back from school? When do you go to your dance class? Chapter 26. Opposites. Opposite word is a word that expresses a meaning different to the meaning of another word. Look and read. The lion is big. The rat is small. The rabbit is fast. The tortoise is slow. The boy is fat. The girl is thin. The log is heavy. The leaf is light. The coffee is hot. The ice cream is cold. Rohan is happy. Sohan is sad. Time to do. Fill in the blanks with the correct opposite words. The pencil is small. The pen is big. The crow is small. The cow is big. The camel is big. The dog is small. The man is young. The woman is old. The tea is hot. The ice cream is cold. The man is fat. The woman is thin. The football is big. The ball is small. The deer is fast. The snail is slow. Chapter 27. Animals and their babies. Horse, foal. Cow, calf. Hen, chick. Sheep, lamb. Cat, kitten. Goat, kid. Dog, puppy. Duck, duckling. Chapter 28. Use of the. This is my house. The house is very big. This is my car. The car is purple. This is my guitar. The guitar is brown. This is my balloon. The balloon is pink. This is mango. The mango is yellow. Chapter 29. The story of a race. Listen and repeat. A rabbit and a tortoise lived in a jungle. The rabbit always teased the tortoise for his slow speed. One day, the tortoise challenged him for a race. The race began. The rabbit ran very fast, but after some time, he sat under a tree. He thought that the tortoise would reach there after a long time. He slept under the tree. While the rabbit was sleeping, the tortoise was moving ahead. He did not stop anywhere. When he was about to reach the destination, the rabbit woke up. The rabbit saw him very close to the finishing point. The rabbit ran with all his might, but he could not defeat the tortoise. The tortoise had already crossed the winning point. The rabbit was ashamed. He never teased the tortoise again. Time to do. Take the correct answer. Who teased the tortoise? Rabbit. Where did the rabbit and tortoise live? Jungle. Who won the race? Tortoise.
Color the picture of tortoise.
Chapter 30 Conversation. Arav. Hello. Nakul. Hello, this is Nakul calling. Arav. Good evening, Nakul. I am Arav speaking. Nakul. Good evening, Arav. How are you? Arav. I am good. Nakul. How are you? Nakul. I am good too. Is it the right to talk to you? Arav. Yes, sure. Nakul. I did not go to school today. Can you tell me what is the name work? Arav. Yes, why not? We have to learn 5 new words. Nakul. Okay. Do we name to make sentences too? Arav. No. Nakul. Thanks, Arav. See you in class tomorrow. Arav. You're welcome, Nakul. Nakul. Bye.